Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and first look of the Ontario Knife Company Red Model 1 in Micarta, which is a exclusive edition for KnifeCenter. It comes in this standard paper box. The model number is 9560. And the Red Model 1, also known as Randall's Adventures Training Model 1, is or was designed as a substitute for a fixed blade. So if you cannot carry a fixed blade in your adventures, then they wanted to create a knife that would at some point, of course, keep that in mind. All locking knives will have their limitations, and fortunately or finally, I would say, somebody did make a Micarta version. So obviously, if you like the Red Model 1 or 2, they've been out for a couple of years, and you can also buy a, let's say, aftermarket scale for it. But this time we are getting a factory model that you can go and purchase from KnifeCenter. So keep in mind that is a US based company, so if you're not in US, they ship also worldwide. If they don't ship to your country, then send me an email and they will probably accommodate you. Okay, so let me give you a few information regarding the specifications and so on, like I usually do at the start of my video. So we have a over length of 21.8 centimeters, which is 8.6 inches. The blade is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches long. We have a blade width of 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. The blade thickness is 2.6 millimeters or 0.1 inch. And the handle length is 12.5 centimeters or 5 inches. And the thickness of the blade without the pocket clip is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Materials used on this one, we have the blade is made out of D2, that is marked right down there. The liners are full stainless steel, no skeletonization is applied, and on the top we have nice canvas micarta, which is in their natural state, so it is not buffed, not oiled, and will take on a unique character while you are using it. Okay, so the blade has a Teflon coating, black Teflon coating on it. There is also an option without the Teflon coat, so nice satin finish if you like or prefer that. Is a drop point profile, has a really nice geometry to it, so you can see there is no dedicated finger choil, but you can definitely use it as one. And also with this early functional jimping on the top, this will nicely lock your finger. So I must say, a really nice design, proven at times. I can only recommend this knife for everybody who would like to have a beater knife and is in the market of paying the price, of course. So pocket clip is your standard banded pocket clip, also with a Teflon, black Teflon coating, which you can see there starting to rub off a little bit. It is, I would say, medium to tight configuration or tightness. Definitely a smoother profile on the micarta, so there is no any kind of special milling or texturing. It is nicely rounded. The pivot assembly runs on phosphor bronze plus Teflon washers to keep everything nice and tight, and to be able to have that really smooth gliding feature. Lanyard hole construction, open back, so you have only these standoffs right there. Probably one too many, but yeah, the knife is definitely really sturdy. And that comes to the weight. The weight is 140 grams or 5 ounces. Let me show you sharpness. So out of the box, this is how it came. Really nice and sharp. You can definitely go on an adventure with it. D2 will be definitely a good companion for your outdoor adventures and tasks. And probably the black Teflon coating is the version to go, just not to be bothered with any kind of corrosion developing on your blade, and you do not have to oil it up or so if you don't like to do so, or if you are wanting to have it as a food prep, then there's also a good variant for you. Another nice thing that I would like to emphasize is also the pocket clip is 4-way mountable, so tip down, tip up, left or right carry, so everybody is accommodated. This is how knives should be that are intended to be used. Now let me show you the pocket profile and how it goes in and out. So definitely no problems. The Micarta is some medium roughness to light roughness on the texture, so it will go inside without any problems, also outside, and yeah, it will not destroy your pocket. So this is how much it will stick out. Let me push a little bit more in. So yeah, right there I forgot to mention there is also a lanyard hole for all your lanyard needs, so that is also good. Maybe if you prefer to carry it in a pouch on a belt, then also it's good to have a lanyard hole, so you can mount a little bit of leather cord to be better to take the knife out. Okay, so the leathering on the knife did change a little bit for some reason. Let me show you my this was the previous on many videos shown for size and then comparison. So your standard old Red Model 1 did came in AUS 8 and had the Randall Adventure Training logo proudly presented on the side. There is the Ontario knife company, red knives on the one side, and the other side. These are made in Taiwan. This is made in China. The pocket clip also had the Randall logo right there. So for some reasons they changed that to the standard Ontario knife company logo. Okay, now let me show you a few other knives. So here is, obviously I had to put in the frame the Red Model 2, basically a shrink down version. Previously shown here on my channel is also the previous Micarta used. This is a standard production. This is the Besra, so you can definitely see the Micarta looks almost the same, a little bit texturing and contouring so that the layers are a little bit more visible. So this was the Besra. Then let us continue with the usual suspects. So here is the model Cebu from 2 Knives, D2 and Micarta also. From QSP, a much more expensive knife, the Pelican. A little bit more expensive as the Ontario is the QB Aries. From QSP I have also the Penguin. From Concept I have the Little Main Street. Here is the Pilar from CRKT. From CVV the model Elementum. From Kaiser model Pinch. Baglighter 2. Bonfire from Berker Plus. $940 from Benchmade. Small Griptilian from Benchmade. Large Griptilian from Benchmade. Spyderco Delica. Spyderco Endura. Kershaw Blur. Bucksprint Pro. Buck Vintage Avid. Let's put in also the Peanut from Rough Rider. And let's finalize it with the K-Bar Dosher Folding Hunter. So the price, unfortunately, the price is set because this is a exclusive to one distributor, sorry, one reseller, that is the KnifeCenter, and the price is $49.95. The MSRP is $83.99 set by the company. So if you would like to have a factory Micarta model, then you can check out the links down below. This is sold, like I mentioned, by KnifeCenter. They have really couple really nice exclusives that I was fortunate that I could order and import to my country. So please stay tuned for more Micarta knives. Some of them will be exclusive, and if you have any questions, then please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. Also, if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes there's other stuff regarding my other hobbies. Okay, I wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.